So in today's video, I'm going to go over if it's possible to get the lowest rate possible with no fees, no closing costs, no points in 60 seconds or less. Let's go. So is it possible to get a lowest rate possible, let's say a 30-year fixed 2.125 with no points, no fees, no closing costs? The answer is a maybe. And why it's a maybe, it's because with a traditional wholesale lender or a broker, those rates are not going to be possible. But if you have a lot of assets at a bank and another competing bank wants your assets to be transferred over to you, they are going to offer you whatever it is possible to entice you to bring all that cash over from that bank to this bank. I've heard of one recent client of mine where he had over $1 million of assets in one bank and the other bank was trying to compete for that money. And so they said, we'll give you a 30-year fixed 2.125 with no fees, no closing costs, and no points. Otherwise, there is going to be title fees, there is going to be transfer taxes, there is going to be closing costs that you're going to have to pay, and you probably will have to pay points to get the lowest rate. Thanks for watching today's episode of The Mortgage Secrets. On this channel, our goal is to uncover and unmask the secrets behind the mortgage process by explaining and teaching you about the terminology and the inner workings of how this whole process works. Anything from the basics of what is an escrow account all the way to how do lenders get paid? How do mortgage brokers get paid? How do loan officers get paid? We are going to unmask and share with you the process so that we can build the trust with you. Oftentimes when I talk to clients, I sense the feeling that they feel like that they're at a disadvantage because they don't understand the process and they don't understand the terminology. So my goal is to level you up so that you have the advantage when you're speaking with a loan officer or a mortgage broker or a wholesale lender. With that in mind, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below on this video, or you can text me personally at 240-221-1881. And with that, thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day.